Hi everyone, welcome to Live Blogger. In WordPress, there are two types of content, page and post. So in this video, we'll take a look at the differences between page and post in WordPress. So let's get started. Page basically consists of static content. Some of the examples of page are about page, the privacy policy page, the contact page, and so on. On the other hand, a post is a dynamic content. So it is mostly used for blog posts. So if you go to our WordPress dashboard and if you go to pages, here are all the pages that we have in our website. And if you go to the posts, here are all the posts that we have for our website. Now let's open one of these pages. So we'll open the about page. So here we can see that this is the about page, and we have the title over here, and we have this thumbnail image, and then we have the content over here, and we don't have any information like date published or the author or categories or tags. This data doesn't have any significance in case of pages. Pages are basically timeless, which means that it doesn't matter when the page was created. Now let's open a post. So if you go to posts, here we can see all the posts that we have for our website. We'll just open this one right here. And here we can see our post is loaded, and here we have the title of the post, and we have the image right here, and then we have the metadata over here, which consists of the date that the post was published on, and we also have the number of comments, and we also have the author over here. So this data is important for posts in WordPress and not for pages. Now one more thing to note about pages is that pages are usually added to the navigation menu of your website. So if you take a look at the navigation menu of this website, we can see that we have this home page over here, and then we have the about page, the checkout page, and contact page. So these are all pages and not posts. So pages are usually added to the navigation menu and posts are not. And one more thing we can see in pages is that pages usually do not have comments enabled for the visitor. And it makes sense because you don't want to have comments in pages like about us, contact us, or privacy policy. You don't want to have conversation going on in these pages. So if you take a look at this about page, we can see that we don't have any comments over here. But if you go to a post, we can see that it says there are 2 comments, and if you go down, we can see the comments over here, and we also have this comment box over here to add comments. So these are basically the differences between posts and pages in a WordPress website. This is a basic thing that you should know before getting started with working on a WordPress website. So that's it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.